Kaya nga yung suggestion na ibuksan nyo na yung papeles. The paper trail is with them. The money trail is with them. Why don't you bring out the small committee report? Why don't you bring out the bicameral report? Why don't you reveal the insertions being made? Si Congressman Chanco has already stated, di ba?
Yes.
Ang nakikita natin when you look at it, parang ano yan, pinatatakam nyo lang kami. And yet, parang insulto sa Pilipino. Kasi tayo, alam na natin hindi tayo, sa tingin ko, yung shock kay Saldico, shock dahil, uy, kasamahan nila, nagsalita na. Pero yung content-wise, alam na ng mga Pilipino Alam nila na may nabulsang pondo, may yumaman. Bakit? Yung mga nasa posisyon kasi, ang behavior, ay ganun na lang. Talagang you have to, present your best self with all the jewelries and all the pomposity of the position that sometimes people would say, dyan ba napunta yung pera namin? Sa alahas nyo, sa relo nyo, sa sasakyan nyo?